Hi, Kevin Main here with Torus Power at ISE 2020, and we're introducing our Torus Power Elite Series model, which is this unit here. So the Elite Series starts off with our Torrential Isolation, providing the right power foundation for all of your AV equipment and isolating it from the problems and issues on the electrical grid. What we're adding to the new Elite Series product is our Torus Power Connect cloud-based control and monitoring application. So with the Torus Power Connect, you're able to actually connect to this device from anywhere and look at what's happening in the power environment. You can look at metrics of things that have happened over the past period of time, maybe the past 24, 48 hours, or even go back as much as 30, 60, 90 days to look at what's happening in the power environment. And you can control any part of the unit from a remote application. So the new Torus Power Connect is launching right now, and if you want more details, check out toruspower.com.